Okay friends, in this video I'll start with the elimination method, which is found in exercise 3.4 of your textbook, page 57, under P1. So there are 1 2 3 4 there are 4 questions under this method, and we will start with the first one. Let's write on the question: x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Okay, so we named this as equation 1 and we also named this as equation 2. So what is important here in elimination method is we have to look at this very carefully. Here in the first equation, there's no number in front of x, which means it is 1. So we write the number 1 here, and here it's 2. Since we cannot reduce it further, what we do is we multiply equation 1 with this number and we multiply equation 2 with this number. Okay, so this is how we write: multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1, we get. Okay, so this is very interesting. Look, this is equation 1. We multiply this whole equation by 2. So 1x multiplied by 2 becomes 2x, plus this y multiplied by 2 becomes 2y equals to 5 multiplied by 2 becomes 10. So let's name it equation 3. Okay, now this equation 2, if we multiply by 1, anything multiplied by 1 is that same number, so we just have to write this: 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Let's name it equation 4. Now this is the interesting part about elimination method. So what we will do is we will start eliminating. Just draw a line like this and you change the sign. Meaning you look at the sign with 2x here. There's no sign in front of 2x, which means this is positive, so we change the sign. Okay, so this becomes minus. We look at the sign with 3y here, it's minus, so this becomes plus. And again, no sign in front of 4, which means there's a plus sign, so we make it minus. So what we do here is 2x minus 2x. This is something like this: 2x minus 2x is equals to 0. So we simply cancel this out. So this is called elimination. Alright, okay, now next one: 2y, this 2y plus. Now we'll ignore the sign here, but we'll use only the sign that is provided here. So plus 2y plus 3y, that will give us 5y. So 5y equals to now 10 minus 4, that will give us 6. So y equals to 6 divided by 5. Okay, now we have already arrived at the solution for y. Now our next target is to find the value of x. So we have two equations here, equation 1 and equation 2. We will take either of these equations. So let's take the equation which looks more simpler, that is equation 1. So we simply write, substituting y equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1, we get. Okay, so let's just write equation 1 here: x plus y equals to 5. That is equation 1. Now we substitute y is 6 by 5, so x plus 6 by 5 equals to 5. Okay, so we replace the value of y with this. So we want to find the value of x, so what we do in the next step is we left x here, and what this plus 6 plus 5, we move it this side, equals to 5 minus 6 by 5. Why minus here? Because this is plus. When it comes over this side, it will become minus. So x is equals to, if we take LCM, nothing is here, that means this is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 1 is minus 6. So x value is 25 minus 6, that is 19 by 5. Therefore x is equals to 19 by 5. Y equals to, how much was, yes, 6 by 5, correct. So 6 by 5. So this is the answer for the first question, right? Simple enough.